Most people use magnets while laying down, and they could either be applied directly to your skin or over clothes, because magnetic fields are strong enough to go and penetrate through your clothing. Now, you can use magnets while sitting or standing. The cool thing about our biomagnetic kits is that we started adding washers. For example, in this illustration, there's a washer there that's holding the magnet in place. And this will work if you're doing low impact things. So if you're watching TV or you're driving somewhere, you want to use magnet, it'll work then. Low impact motion. Notice these two pictures here. What you want to do when you use the washers is have the magnet closest to your body and the washers on the other side of the garment. Okay, you want it closest to your body. Over here on the left-hand side, you don't want to do that. The washers on the inside and the magnets on the outside. The magnets that we use, they're rectangular, so it doesn't matter if they're placed horizontally or vertically or diagonally on the body.